Okay, so today's lesson is on complex fraction, and I'm going to just dive right in. Here is an example of a complex fraction. Okay, so we've got 1/4 over 2. How do we solve this problem? The way to do this is to rewrite this problem or this fraction as a division problem. So in other words, 1/4 divided by 2. Okay, so this part right here is your fraction or your division or your divider. Okay, so once you have this, then to divide 2 into 1/4, you're going to rewrite this as 1/4 times, and now it's going to be the reciprocal, 1/2. Okay, because 2 is the same thing as 2 over 1. So when we take the reciprocal, we're just flipping this around. This goes here, and then this goes there. Okay? And then once you have 1/4 times 1/2, you learned how to do that in the last lesson, and that becomes 1/8. And that is your answer. Okay? Let's do another one. Let's say you've got 1/2 divided by 1/3. Okay? There's another example of a complex fraction. So again, we're going to look at the divisor, which is right here, and we're going to say that this is equivalent to the numerator, which is 1/2, divided by the denominator, 1/3. Okay? Then you're going to take 1/2 and you're going to multiply by the reciprocal. Okay, so 1/3 gets flipped around and now it becomes 3 over 1 when you multiply it. And then the answer is you just multiply across the numerator and then across the denominator. So you get 3 halves. Okay, let's do another one. Let's say we've got 4 over 1/5. Okay, again, here is the divider right there. So this becomes 4 divided by 1/5. That is the same thing as 4 times the reciprocal, which is 5 over 1. Okay, so we multiply across the numerator. 4 times 5, it's 20 over 1, which is equal to 20. And that is your answer. Okay, one more example, and that should do it. Let's say we have 2/3 over 7. Okay, again, here is the divisor, and this becomes 2/3 divided by 7. Okay, and remember, 7 is 7 over 1. It's the same thing. Okay, so now we're going to rewrite this, and we're going to get 2/3 times, okay, we changed the division to multiplication, and now we're going to take the reciprocal of 7, which is 1/7. Okay, and now we multiply across the top, the numerator, we get 2. 2 times 1 is 2, and then the denominator, 3 times 7 is 24. 1. And that is your answer. So, complex fraction, although looks complicated, is rather straightforward once you understand how to manipulate the numbers. Okay, that was it. Good luck, and hopefully that made sense. Again, if you have any questions or something was not clear, go back to the beginning of the recording and view it again. Thank you.